Alright,
That's what he's titling his.
you're being videoed.
Oh,
What did you say, Ronnie?
Johnny?
Johnny.
Hey!
Yeah, her name is not Ronnie. It's Johnny.
Wow.
And this is our new friend.
Man,
Johnny.
we kidnapped.
Yeah.
Danny!
And-
Danny!
Alright.
Hanging with the wife.
And we are...
Danny, he's getting a free carriage ride
We're in a
downtown.
carriage
right
ride, yeah.
Yeah, this is...
Actually, are you paying for this? I don't have any cash.
I will pay for this, yes.
Oh, good. It's $20 even.
I will do 20.
Don't
Plus
forget the
tip.
tip.
Plus tip. Her
Don't-
tip.
Ooh.
Her tip is her pay.
What is the tip?
Your tip is her pay.
$20, so is it 20% of $20?
Oh, I would say at least. Shit, man. Where are you from?
$4 tip?
I got my daughter's haircut earlier, and I tipped her hairdresser 50%.
I'm not cheap.
So I'd say a person that has to smack a horse on the ass
Oh, Tom just got
to get us
here.
going, at least 60%.
60%.
Yes.
Calculators.
I know 20%, but that's,
This has
not
gotten awkward.
sufficient.
Well, you can always expense it to your Monsanto account.
I actually don't have a bank in where I'm.
Just do you take debit cards?
No, look, bitches,
I belong
have
to
cash.
Wells Fargo, and they don't have Wells Fargo.
Hello.
ATM? Is
You
it
got
more
cash?
to go to an ATM?
Birthday cash? Whoa.
Right. That
Wait,
was
no,
my...
there's one at the Monkeys. There's
Hey,
totally
look.
one at the Monkeys.
Hey, look, everyone.
Alley we're in right now.
I have lots of cash. I have enough cash to pay for this.
This is where we take it to.
Oh, yeah.
That's where everyone.
Okay.
See, don't be a crook.
This is where it all goes bad. Alright.
This is where we all die.
That burp just saved me.
Burp.
Love everyone.
And farted.
Happy birthday.
We post them